Hi, I'm Dr. Brad Shook. I'm a board-certified chiropractic physician in Hickory, North Carolina, and today I'd like to talk to you about scoliosis, and in particular, some of the complications of scoliosis. So, scoliosis has three different degrees, or three different grades. Most people that have a scoliosis are going to fall within 0 to 20 degrees of curve in their spine. And really, I should start by saying, the way that we determine how severe scoliosis is that we take an x-ray of the area where the curvature is, and we measure it, and we see how many degrees the curve is. And so what that comes down to is really we can apply that to a grading system. And scoliosis curves are graded in three different categories. So 0 to 20 is category 1, 20 to 40 degrees is category 2, and over 40 degrees of curve in the spine is the third category. If you're in the 0 to 20 degree category, that is something that can typically be treated conservatively with spinal manipulation or adjustments and exercises. If you're 20 to 40 degrees, that's something that is going to require bracing, but also adjunctive therapies like adjustments and exercises. And if you're over 40 degrees, that's where it becomes a bigger potential problem, in that it can cause compression of vital internal organs. So this is where you get into the scenario of really more significantly contemplating surgical intervention. And surgery is not anything that anyone wants, especially if it's a child or an adult that has a degenerative scoliosis. But these are things that we have to consider, right? So, if it gets bad enough, it can create major problems for vital organ function. So there are several different, approaches that you want to take. And, as I kind of mentioned, depending on where you fall within that spectrum of grading or of the severity of the curve, depending on how many degrees it is, will determine, what might be most appropriate for your particular case. So there, again, there are several bracing systems that are fantastic out there. The one that I recommend to people that has, I think, some of the most research and the best outcomes that I've seen is SpineCore. It's SpineCor.com, SpineCore. Okay, so you go to spinecore.com, and I think they have the very best system available. So you can take a look at that. I think that's very helpful. But if you're in my area, if you're in the Greater Hickory area, and you have a scoliosis, or you think there's a scoliosis, we can take x-rays, we can help you figure out what's going on, we can help you grade it, and make sure that you get to the right person. If we can help you, then I'll give you some suggestions and recommendations on how we can help to decrease pain, improve the function that you have, and try to help you prevent it from getting worse. So anyway, if you like my opinion on your scoliosis or on any back problems that you're having, don't hesitate to give us a call. Our phone number is 828-324-0800. You can also go to hickoryspine.com to learn more about what we do and our clinic. But I hope this helps you better understand scoliosis and some of the potential complications, and I hope you have a great day.